Hello, future engineers, subscribers, viewers, and students. Here is a video on beams, continuous beam, solved by or analyzed by three-moment equations. This problem was solved by different methods. As an example in structural analysis. So here is the problem. For the beam shown, determine the internal and external moment, internal and external reactions at the supports by three moment equations. E is constant. So we have portion ABC with moment of inertia I and CD with moment of inertia 2I. So the guide three moment equation is if the beam is ABC, then it is MALAB over IAB plus 2 times MB quantity LAB over IAB plus LBC over IBC, then plus MC times LBC over IBC plus quantity 6 area 1A over LAB IAB plus quantity 6 area 2B over LBC IBC equals 6E quantity HA over LAB plus H sub C over LBC. But in this case, we first apply three-moment equation on span BCD. And remember that the technique is D is transformed into an interior pin, then extend it with a span 0 and D prime with the same support pin, which is so that the moment at D prime would be 0. We can find the moment at B easily. It is negative 20 times 2. So it is negative 40 kilonewton meter, and that's one internal moment at B. That's one answer. So applying the three moment equation on span BCD, but take note that we have to modify D, support D into interior pin and extend it with another interior pin as shown in the figure. So for BCD, MB, which is equal to negative 40 times 9 over 1 plus 2 times MC, quantity 9 over 1 plus 9 over 2 plus MD times 9 over 2 plus 30 times 6 over 9, quantity 9 square minus 6 square, plus for the rectangular loading 15 times 9 cube over 4, then over 2 for moment of inertia, then plus for the triangular loading which has an intensity of 30 kilonewton meter with respect to the right end is 7 over 60 times 30 times 9 cube, then over 2 for the moment of inertia. Since the beam has its supports fixed, not moving, not settling, so HB is 0 and H sub D is also 0. So the right side is 0. Simplifying this equation, we have 27 M sub C plus 4.5 MD equals negative 3082.625, and let's call this equation 1. For span CDD prime, so span CDD prime, apply three-moment equation. So we have MC times 9 over 2 plus 2 times MD, quantity 9 over 2 plus 0, because the span is 0, plus moment at D prime 0, plus 6 area 1A over L1 is 15 times 9 cube over 4, then over I, which is 2, plus 8 over 60 for the farther end triangular load. 30 times 9 cube all over 2 for the I, and plus uh, 6 area 2b over L2 for this span dd prime 0, there's no load, equals 0. Simplifying this equation, we have 4.5 m sub c plus 9 md equals negative 2824.875, and let's call that equation 2. Solving these two equations simultaneously, we now have our answers for internal moments at C and D. M sub C is negative 71.523 kilonewton meter, while MD is negative 278.114 kilonewton meter. Having found these moments, we now apply it here. Let's consider ABC to solve for RB. It means MC is MCD 71.523, and it is counterclockwise, while MCB is clockwise 71.523 as shown in this figure. So considering ABC, summation moments about C equals 0, so positive clockwise RB times 9 plus 71.523 equals 30 times 3 plus 20 times 11. So we can now compute RB. RB is equal to 26.497 kilonewtons. Considering the entire span, then we sum up moments about D. 26.497 times 18 plus RC times 9 plus 278.114 equals 30 times 20 times 20 plus 30 times 12 plus moment of the rectangular loading 15 times 9 times 4.5 plus moment of the triangular loading 1/2 of 9 times 30 times 3. So we can now compute R sub C. R sub C is equal to 113.049 kilonewtons. Then finally for RD, we consider CD. So we now apply moment at C, which is now counterclockwise if we consider CD. Summation moments about C equals 0, counterclockwise positive. So we have RD times 9 plus 71.523 equals 278.114 plus 15 times 9 times 4.5 plus 1/2 of 9 times 30 times 6. So computing for RD, RD is equal to 180.455 kilonewtons. So I just want you to check summation versus Y if it is 0. So that's it for this video.